How you doing? So it's Romeo the Professor. I would like to show you how to use Trust Wallet. See Trust Wallet there? We click on Trust Wallet. And this is the Trust Wallet. You want to have this Trust Wallet. All you have to do is download it from the App Store. We're going to buy today Wootrade right here. This one. We're going to buy Wootrade Network. As you can see, it's an ERC20. On the top left-hand side, you see it's an ERC20. The reason we're going to buy it, I know you see on the top right-hand side, it's been down 13%. We buy the dips. Anytime we see the dips is around 15%, we buy it. So let's click on the top right-hand side. That's the graph. Let me show you. Top right-hand side, that's the graph. So we click on it, okay? And for one day, it says 13%, 0.51% down. 1 week, it shows you 72% up. 1 month, 223. We like it. So it's a Wootrade is a layer one trading infrastructure complete with deep liquidity, front-end trading, GUI, and the ability to integrate into any exchange, trading desk, wallet, dApp, or other. So let's click on the website. Here's the website right here. So we click on the website, Woo Network. So we see that it's functioning. Trade, rule, BTB, demo. We have all of this. So we see it's functioning. Okay, keep all that you earn. We like that. So now what I'm going to do is we need Ethereum to buy it. So let's see how much Ethereum we have. We have here Ethereum 146. That's not enough. So we're going to go to crypto.com and send Ethereum to our Trust Wallet. So crypto.com, bottom right hand side, we click it. Now I'm entering my code. And so now I click on accounts, bottom left hand side. You need to get a crypto.com account if you don't have it. The reason why is because I'm going to show you. When we click on accounts, you see it has crypto wallet, crypto earn, Fiat wallet. If you had a paycheck, every time you get paid, it will go to the Fiat wallet, just like a direct deposit. And then we have crypto.com Visa where you could put money so that you can use a debit card. We're going to click on crypto wallet. And we're going to find Ethereum, and we want to send Ethereum to our Trust Wallet. So I find Ethereum. Let's find Ethereum. Ethereum is right there. I have $7,000 Ethereum. So I will click Ethereum, and I want to click transfer. Transfer. You see the right hand side say transfer? I click transfer, and then it's withdraw. I don't want to deposit Ethereum there. I want to withdraw, and I click external wallet. My wallet's already there for the Ethereum, so that's why I'm going to just click the one that says Trust Wallet. But if you never did this, it would ask you to put your wallet address there, and you would get the wallet address from Ethereum wallet address on the Trust Wallet, which I will show you how to do that so that you can see, okay? So let me explain what I mean by that. So here, the Trust Wallet here, Trust Wallet, you would click Trust Wallet, and then, 1 second, you go to Ethereum, which when we find Ethereum, that's Ethereum right here. Then you would have to click on Ethereum. See, Ethereum, I only have $146. You would have to click Ethereum, and then you see the button that says Receive. Receive, we would have to click Receive, and then it would give us an address. And that's the address you would copy, and you would put that address on crypto.com, transfer, withdraw, so that you can receive it over here. It takes a while to receive the Ethereum over here. So while it's doing that, let me see if I have BNB. I can quickly do a little transfer of BNB because it's taken a while to get the Ethereum. Let's look again. Ethereum's taking a while to get it. So now let's see what coin that is a Binance smart contract coin. So this is ERC20. We cannot use it. We know SafeMoon is a BEP. So SafeMoon could use Binance, where we would have to transfer it to Binance smart contract. But so we're not going to do that. We already did Wax token as BP. You know something? While we wait for it, I'm going to buy Wax token. So Wax token, it's WRX. So all we have to do is bottom right hand side, because it says, let's just say, look at the top left hand side, You see it says BEB2. That tells you could do it with Binance. So all you have to click on the bottom middle where it says DEX. I click DEX and I make this WRX. That's what was the token ticker. And I'm going to say 75%, and I'm doing this swap. The reason I can do a swap is because it's in the same Binance family. Okay, so swap completed. I did that because we're waiting for the Ethereum, but I want to show you that now my Wax token should be more, and my Binance here should be a little less. And my Wax token now is a little bit more. It's at 22,000 now. Okay. All right, so let's see if the Ethereum came yet. Ethereum, see Ethereum now say 6,503. You see it, 6,503. We received the Ethereum from the crypto.com wallet. So now we're ready to buy Woo. So this is what we're buying, Woo. That's the one I said I want to buy? Yeah, it's at, was it? Yeah, it's at 12%. Let's buy Woo. So the ticker is WOO. So we click dApps, the bottom dApps, and we're going to use Uniswap. Okay? And when you use Uniswap, you click here and you put WOO, and it pops up right there, Wootrade Network. And I only want to buy for $2,000 because 1 ETH is about 2,000 something. So I do that. I approve. Now this takes about, the pending takes about 20 seconds to approve. So remember, I use Uniswap. So on Trust Wallet, you should send Ethereum to your Trust Wallet and Binance to your Trust Wallet. That way you could buy any other altcoins depending if it's an ERC20 or if it has B in front of it for Binance, depending on what type of token it is. So it got approved. So now I go back out. Woo got approved. I refresh. And now if we look, Woo has more money. And if we look at Ethereum, Ethereum has less money. Follow me on YouTube. I train. And also I have a course that I train. My name is Romeo the Professor. The course, if you want to speed up your process, I am not a financial advisor, but I spend my money in these coins and make money. I'm Romeo the Professor.